getting an outline for what I'm going to have to cut out to fit the speaker in, and I'm trying to do it right at this moment. I got the template drawn out, so now we're just going to cut it out with a jigsaw. So now we're stripping back the cable to reveal the 4 conductors that are inside. So we're going to connect the white and the green to the white will go to the red and the green will go to the black. And with these Sonos speakers, they've actually got an angle on them there, and that's to project as much volume as they can in that direction. So for this room, since it's in the corner, we're going to push it that way towards the bed. That's your uncle. That's all I think for that one now. Anyway.